Hello there, greetings to you. My name is Samantha Ukeme, and on this video I want to show you how to use Capcut to edit your video, especially collage two different videos. Okay, so if you are coming to Capcut for the first time, you go to Play Store. If you are using Android device, go to Google Play Store, type in Capcut on the search bar. I already have it installed on my phone. That is why you are seeing the option open. So I'm gonna click open it. If you are using Apple product, iOS store is where you're gonna find that. And these two can work on your PC. You can decide to download. You can decide to use on their site. Okay. Okay. So here, this is the interface. The first point you're gonna see this. The projects you are seeing here are things I've done, projects I've done already. So yours is not gonna be like that. You just see the new button, the new project, the plus sign on with a sky blue background. Click on it. New project. So it has taken you to your gallery. It has taken you to your phone, your device. So I want to collage a picture of myself and maybe a funny picture or a beautiful picture showing how African babies are dancing. All right, so I'm gonna click on it. It's a 50 seconds video. I'll click on the first video, then I'll go find my own video. I want to collage my video like I am looking at them dancing. Okay, so I'm gonna collage this other video. I did the second video, I did it using Snapchat. So if you want to have fine videos of yourself, you can decide to use Snapchat, InShot, or any other app, maybe KineMaster. Okay. All right, so now it is time to collage these two videos. You are bringing two different videos and you want to make it one. You click on the button that has collage on under my photos. Click on it close to the add to button. Okay, just click on the collage button. Want to collage this video, so look at the option they are showing. You can see if I accept this option, my face is not showing, the face of the boys that are dancing not showing. So I don't like that format. I'm gonna click on the second format. The second format is preferable because it's allowing both my own video and the boys video to show. So I think I am happy with that. You can check other formats. You can go ahead and check other formats. You may want to be the first before the children's video will come in, but I am not happy with that. I'm happy with the second one, so I'll go back and click on the second format. You may want to check the ratio. The ratio is 1:1. I prefer that ratio, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it at that. So I like these formats. Let the children play be the first video, then mine is the second video. I'll be clicking on continue now. Continue. Okay, so we are here to edit this video. Let's say you can see where we have add X copper on that my video. I did not actually use Capcut for that, but you can as well use Capcut for that. I edited that right inside Snapchat where I took that my video. But if you want to write something on your video using Capcut, just come down to the toolbar. You see where you have text option. Click on that text option. It will show you two things. Number one is add text, the capital letter A plus sign. With the plus sign, can you see it? The second option that you can go ahead to add is where you have text templates. You can edit that. You can edit text template and add any kind of write-up on your screen. You can even add captions. If you click on auto captions now, everything that is said on that video, assuming it was a tutorial video, as the person is talking, this auto captions is writing something on the screen. You can now decide to edit it. If what the interpretation is giving is not correct, you can decide to edit it and type in the correct things. You understand? Okay, so now I want to write with normal text. I don't want to use text template. So I'm going to click on the first option, which is add text. It will open up and give me where I can type something in. Now I want to write at Samantha. Let's say I want to let people know who owns this handle, who edited this video, who created this content. This is my name. So you can decide to drag it and place it anywhere you want. Anywhere you want to place it as Samantha. Anywhere you want to place it, you can decide to place it. And when you place it where you are happy, you can decide to change the font. Look at fonts here, different font sizes. I can decide to change the font to make it very tiny. I can italize it. Now it is on italics. I can italize it. I can do anything. Look at different fonts here. Look at different styles here. How you want it to be. Look at effects. You want that right up to be in red. You want that right up to be in yellow. You can just play around. Anything you want to achieve, you can go ahead. Look at, for you to make these things small, just come and hold your screen. It will be a bit difficult if you are using nails like me right now, right? Because your nails will actually distract you from achieving what you want, but that's not a problem. This is just a tutorial video. At least when you are doing your own, you do it perfectly. Okay, so always remember to use the check button. You can even animate. You can animate that name however you want it to splash on the screen. Let me use ABC123. Just look at how it's gonna splash. Can you see how it's splashing? It's splashing. It just threw out. It just threw out that my name. Then click on check. So let's say you don't want to use add text button. You want to use let's say you don't want to use add text button. You want to use text template. You see this small arrow going left. If there is any button, any feature that you are looking for on the toolbar and you can't find it, if you look at that place and that place ticks too, just know that you have to click once to take you back to the first stage, so that you can now search for the item or the feature you are looking for. So you can see that from this point, the first video ended. And you'll be seeing a black screen on your left while the video on your right is still playing, because you actually added the video as one. There are one screen, and because there are one screen, it is not possible to cut out this part right now. It is not possible to cut out. You understand? So because it's not possible to cut out or to split or to do any of those, it is advisable that any video you want to mimic, any video you want to do a collage with, go and check how many minutes is that video. All right. The first video is 1 minute 15 seconds. So the second video too should be 1 minute 15 seconds. The first video is 50 seconds. The video you want to mimic, the video of yourself, should also be 60 seconds as the video you want to mimic. So by the time you collage both videos, they will all play and stop at the same time. If not, this is what you get. The first video has ended and you see a black screen, whereas the video of yourself is still showing. Okay. I'm going to show you also. I'm going to do a short video to attach to this to show you how to remove that Capcut logo at the end of your video. So this is the video we have collaged successfully. Now let's say you don't want the sound of this video to play. You want to bring in a sound or maybe a song from your device. So you come to the left hand side, you see where a volume or a speaker kind of feature is close to where you have cover. You are gonna click on it. It will show an X sign to show that you have muted that audio. Let's play. You will not have any sound because I've muted this song. Maybe I don't love the song and I want to do this video with a new song. So I have muted this song now. So now I'm going to add a song. To add a song to this video, you are going to click on audio. It will open up sounds. Come down to the toolbar, you see sounds. You click on the sound feature. it will take you to this place. TikTok automatically links with this CapCut. So definitely I do not want a song from TikTok. And because of that, I'm going to click on this file manager. You can see a file feature close to that TikTok logo. You click on it, it will take you to extracted, and on the right you see from device. If you want to extract a video and just use the audio, if you click on that feature now, it will take you into your gallery and you pick the video you want to use the sound or the song on that video for the project you are working on. But this one, I don't want to extract the sound from any video. I want to take a song from my device. So I am going to click on from device, and it has opened up songs on my device. You can decide to stay here, maybe click for, if I want to use Hill song on that my project, I will just type in Hill song and all the songs from Hill song will pop. You will come up, you understand? And then you click on the plus sign to add a song to that your video. Plus sign. Now we are going to play this video again. You now hear the new song that is playing, that is going to play now. So a new song is playing. So if for you this song is too loud, this is how to reduce the volume of this sound that is playing now. You are going to click on that song. You can see you added something to the video you were editing, and you can see the highlighted bar where you have wave sound on inside it. The highlighted bar, you click on it and then come and click on volume. You can decide to take this volume to as in very loud. You can also decide to reduce this volume to very little sound. You can see. You can decide to place this volume however you want it. However you want to place the sound. You can go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to keep it here and then I'm gonna click on. Okay. For the fact that I'm going to post this video on my channel and I do not need any copyright issues, I'm gonna take out that sound and I'll bring out maybe my studio project, my personal song or soundtrack, and use right here. So let me go back, and this will also help me to show you how to delete if you are not happy with the song you used and you want to delete it. So the song is still highlighted. Just click on the delete button and it is gone. So I'll go over again to add my own song, so I don't have any problem with YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna click on sound again. It will take me back to that same place. I'll click on my device. From my device, I'm going to click on birthday beats. I'm gonna search, that's my song, my studio song. I've clicked on it and I'm gonna click on the plus sign. That's my own song, so I won't have a problem now with, if you notice what happened, I don't know if you noticed what happened. I was not at the beginning. I was not at the beginning of the video when I selected the song. So this actually means that the video will start playing without that song playing along. Okay, so for you to add anything, you have to drag and be at the beginning of the editing bar. The white bar, that's the editing bar. All right, you have to drag your video to be at the beginning. So we go over and add that song again from device, and we stand on the search bar and search for birthday beat. It is here, so I don't need to listen. It's just for me to click on the plus button and we are good to go. So I have shown you how to, okay, let's say I want to add, let's say I want a sound of clap at the end of this video. If that's what I want, you can see where you have effects. Can you see where you have effects? If you want any of these, maybe cheering, let me play one for you to hear. At the end of the video, if at the end of the video the sound was very powerful and beautiful, it was so interesting, and then you want to add to it, So what you do is click on the effects, and when you come, you click on that plus button. Automatically you have added. So this is another thing. You can see that the video has ended, but my song is still playing. I don't know if you noticed that my video has ended and my song is still playing, and I'm not happy with that. So what I do is I'm gonna click on the editing bar of that my song. I'll click on split. Now the song is going to cut out from where my video ends. I'm gonna click on delete, and from my right hand side, which shows the continuation of that song, has been cut off. You can see. So the CapCut sign you are seeing is on my previous video, the video I just exported, the video I just imported rather, to this editing tool. Okay, the video I'm editing for today doesn't have CapCut. This video I'm editing right now, it doesn't have CapCut. That CapCut you are seeing is on the video I brought from my device into this CapCut project. I hope you understand. So if you're editing and you don't want CapCut to show, when you get to the end, you can see the editing bar is now at the end of this my video. You are gonna see the CapCut editing line. When you click on it and click on delete, it is gone. Before you now go up there, you see where you have 720p, where you have the arrow facing up on the top right hand. That's where to export this video, this project we have done. So if you are good, if you are comfortable with what we have done so far, in fact, you can even record yourself. You can record yourself. Look at the record button on the toolbar down here at the bottom of this my screen. You're gonna see a record button. Maybe I could go ahead and also record myself, so you see what I'm talking about. Now it has opened up. Okay, so I'm gonna click and hold. I'm gonna tap and press and hold the record button. Okay, look at it. Let me go and play it. And then everything I'm saying now will enter that. You can see it has entered the video. You may want to reduce the volume. You do the same thing. You may want to increase the volume. You may want to reduce it. And then everything I'm saying now will enter that video. So that is it. So if you have any question, you are free to ask on the comment section of this video. I really appreciate you like this video. I'll appreciate you subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can support me. Most of these tutorials I'm doing with my data. That's how you can support me, so that YouTube will show the video to many people. The algorithm of this video will be to my own favor, and many people will come to watch it. All right, that's just the essence. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial.